What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zell back again with another video, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I cut off my resonators, so I'm gonna go ahead and review that for y'all. Give y'all little updates on everything that's going on. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. I did get them cut off, so that's them right there. I did everything myself. I got a pipe and basically expanded it over the factory pipe, and that's how I did that, and sealed it up with clamps. So what I'm gonna do, I wasn't able to get the cold start for y'all, but it is about to rain, so I'm gonna see. I'm in a disclosed area in a safe course, but I'm gonna see if basically I can set the camera up somewhere and let y'all hear what it sound like from, you know, not going too fast, but kind of like moderate. So I'm gonna do that here. I'm gonna see if I can get some POVs for y'all too, of me driving and seeing what it sound like. But I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and do that now, and yeah. As y'all can hear or see, that's what it sound like. This is what it sound like the idle. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some POVs, and it's starting to rain now. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all in the next part. I ain't gonna be talking much because this is a POV, but and don't be in the comments talking about my shifting either. I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want to hear, if y'all can even hear me. And this is a closed course too, by the way. All right, y'all, so we're back, and that makes the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy what everything sounds like. This is not a video saying that y'all should get this and it's the best setup, but I'm just letting y'all know or showing y'all what it would sound like if you have Roush axle backs, Offroad H-pipe, and no resonators. But that is the end of this video. And also, I did pass my CDL test from the last video. I know I told you I failed. I did pass that, and I'll be having CDL videos and all types of things in that category. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video.